Hello. Welcome to February 16th, I think. Yeah, I think. We're getting ready to boot up our laptop. Had a long night of work. How are you doing? Are you doing good? You look pretty good to me. You are looking good. No, man. Ugh. Really cold right now. I need to shave. One thing I like about Windows 8 is this shit boots up so fast. Yeah, very fast. I like it. People who hate Windows 8 need to say, you know, sure, it's different, but it's not a bad different. Like, I could get if it was only this menu. Like, if it was just this menu, I could understand people complaining. Like, there wasn't a desktop. You just had just the app store. And then you could only download app-supported apps. Like, there would be an internet browser app. There would be a webcam app, stuff like that. I could get that. But it's not. You have a fully functional Windows computer, and then you have this added little menu, which I guess in the next, what do they call it? Service update, service packs, Windows 6 or whatever, Windows 8.6, they're going to have the desktop be your startup menu, which is cool. But I don't really give a fuck, because you hit this button, you're back there, you click on your desktop, Skype, yes, allow access. By the way, how fucking amazing is my background? It gives me so many nostalgies, I love it. But there's honestly nothing. Oh fuck! I got goosebumps. I've had like hiccups all night. It sucks. Yes, a lot. Standing in line. You know what I'm getting really tired of? My brother's computer auto logs into my Steam account, and this is a Steam account I've put a lot of money into. I get it, he's put money into it too, but it's bullshit. Okay, you should log into it when you're going to use it. You should log out of it when you're not using it, or go into offline mode, because all you play is offline games and an MMO that you don't even need Steam for. So get the fuck off my Steam account, please. My eyes look really big right now. I don't even know what's going on. They look really big right now. Don't they look huge? Don't my eyes look really big right now? I feel like they look really big. To me, when you're vlogging, it looks weird to look at the camera. Like, you look like honestly, I feel like a retard. Like, I feel like my eyes are focusing on that one little camera lens, and it's looking stupid. Hey, did you hear about the new thing today? It looks very good. And they always emote, like, so much more. Like, fuck your emotes, dude. Like, I don't care. Like, all these, I don't know. Fuck, I like vlog videos, but I hate, like, vlog cliches. So one thing I've been doing is working on my glutes. I've been squeezing my butt a lot. And honestly, it's hard to do. Like, I didn't think it was going to be this hard to, like, because you're supposed to do it, like, basically the thing I was reading is that you should always be working them. Whenever you're walking, whenever you're sitting, whenever you're lifting up stuff, like, because that's how I found out. Like, I was looking at kettlebell workouts, And what you're supposed to do is after you do like the kettlebell squat, like as soon as you like bring your kettlebell up, you squeeze and hold it, and then you put it down, then you do it again, and that's so hard to do, man. Like it's so hard. Like, and then you do like this weird shoulder thing. You puff your chest sort of. I don't know. To me, one of the hardest things about working out is posture. I always feel like I'm doing it wrong, and one of the things I learned early on is that if you're fucking up on posture, it can permanently damage your body. So I've always been like a little scared about like trying new exercises and stuff like that. Because of that, I don't know. I guess something. Yeah. I don't know. I'm just tired. I'm a little sleepy. I would like, bro. This blanket right here. It's so good. So good. I need to get more turtlenecks. I don't know why, but I feel comfortable in them. Like, I feel like long sleeve turtlenecks. It's good stuff. Do they make a short sleeve turtleneck? I feel like that'd be weird looking. But I kind of like it. Maybe I want to get a shirt that's like, you guys have seen my belly rub shirt before, but like, it's like medium length sleeves. I like that. It's not like the full on sleeve, but it's not like a short sleeve. It's really cool. I like it. I believe it's referred to as a baseball tee or something like that. I think so, yeah. I don't know. I like it. I'm gonna end the Frazzlog here. Maybe I'll try to go to sleep. That'd be fun. No, it wouldn't be. No, I mean, I don't have a problem with going to sleep when I get home. It's just if my body could maintain it, that'd be good. But it doesn't. It always wakes back up before 5 o'clock. If I slept till 5 o'clock from now, I'd be ready to go, baby.